The Sumatran rhinoceros, scientifically known as Dispersers sumatrensis, is the smallest and most ancient of all living rhino species. Despite its small size compared to other rhinos, it is still a large and powerful mammal. Today, it is one of the rarest animals on Earth. This species is unique because it is the only Asian rhino with two horns, like its African relatives. Its body is covered with patches of reddish-brown hair, giving it a woolly appearance. These features make it distinct from all other rhinoceros species. The Sumatran rhino is a living fossil, having existed for millions of years. Fossil records suggest that their ancestors once roamed vast areas of Asia and even parts of Europe. Today, they survive in only a few small pockets of forest. Adults typically weigh between 500 to 800 kilograms, making them the smallest of the 5 rhino species. Despite their size, they are incredibly strong and capable of navigating steep, muddy, and dense rainforest terrain. Their agility surprises many researchers. These rhinos live in tropical rainforests, swamps, and cloud forests. Historically, they ranged across Southeast Asia, including India, Myanmar, Thailand, and Malaysia. Sadly, their range has now shrunk to a few isolated areas in Sumatra and Borneo. Unlike some other rhinos that live in open grasslands, Sumatran rhinos prefer dense vegetation. They are excellent climbers and swimmers, often moving through rivers and muddy slopes with ease. This makes tracking them in the wild extremely challenging. Sumatran rhinos are mostly solitary animals. Males and females usually only come together to mate. Otherwise, they maintain individual territories marked by urine, feces, and soil scrapes. So their diet is really diverse, including more than 100 different plant species. They feed on leaves, twigs, fruits, and even bark. This kind of browsing actually helps shape and maintain the health of their forest ecosystems. Because they eat such a wide variety of plants, Sumatran rhinos are actually really important seed dispersers. Their feeding habits help with forest regeneration and boost biodiversity. Protecting them, honestly, means we're also protecting so many other species that share their habitat. One fascinating trait of the Sumatran rhino is its frequent use of mud wallows. They love rolling in muddy pools to cool down, protect their skin from parasites, and prevent sunburn. Without access to mud, their skin can crack, and that can cause some serious health issues. Female Sumatran rhinos, reproduce very slowly. They usually give birth to a single calf after a long gestation period of around 15 to 16 months. The interval between births can be 3 to 4 years. Calves are born with a thick coat of hair, which, over time, gradually thins as they grow. They stay with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning how to forage and survive in the forest. This long dependency makes each birth extremely valuable. Unfortunately, reproduction is a major challenge for this species. Low population numbers mean that many individuals struggle to find mates. Prolonged isolation can also cause reproductive issues in females. Today, the Sumatran rhinoceros is classified as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. Fewer than 80 individuals are estimated to remain in the wild. This makes it, honestly, one of the rarest large mammals in existence. The greatest threat to the Sumatran rhino is, without a doubt, habitat loss. Deforestation from palm oil plantations, logging, and agriculture has destroyed vast areas of their forest home. With shrinking habitats, rhinos have less space to live and, well, to reproduce. Poaching also devastated their populations in the past. Rhino horns are highly valued in some traditional medicines, even though there's no scientific evidence of their health benefits. Even though demand has decreased, the risk of poaching still, unfortunately, remains. Fragmentation of populations is another critical issue. With small groups isolated in different areas, genetic diversity is shrinking. This, honestly, makes the species more vulnerable to disease, infertility, and environmental changes. To save this species, conservationists have created special sanctuaries. The Sumatran Rhino Sanctuary, or SRS, in Waikambas National Park, Indonesia, is one of the most important. Here, rhinos are cared for, bred, and studied to ensure their survival. The sanctuary provides natural forest habitats where rhinos can thrive while still being monitored. Calves born in these centers represent hope for the species. Each successful birth is, well, celebrated worldwide as a conservation milestone. So, modern science really plays a key role in saving the Sumatran rhino. Reproductive technologies like artificial insemination are now being used to overcome some of the tough breeding challenges. And scientists are also studying rhino genetics to help maintain healthy diversity within the population. International cooperation is honestly essential in this fight. Organizations from all around the world are pooling their resources, funding, and expertise to protect the rhinos. Collaboration between governments, NGOs, and local communities is absolutely crucial. Local communities are important allies in conservation. By raising awareness and providing alternative livelihoods, conservationists help reduce hunting and deforestation. Protecting rhinos often goes hand in hand with improving human welfare. The story of the Sumatran rhino is both heartbreaking and inspiring. While their numbers have plummeted, dedicated efforts are giving them a chance at survival. Their resilience shows the importance of never giving up on endangered species. Public awareness also plays a big role. By learning about the Sumatran rhino, people around the world can support conservation efforts through donations, sustainable choices, and advocacy. Every small action helps protect this ancient species. In conclusion, the Sumatran rhinoceros is a rare treasure of our planet. As one of the last living links to prehistoric times, its survival is a test of humanity's commitment to conservation. Protecting the rhino means preserving the rainforests and biodiversity of Southeast Asia for generations to come.